So today I'm going to show you how to change the fans for the power cap Storm. So all what you need tools are a screwdriver for the screws of the cover. Also this set here, I don't know how it's called in English. And you will need a ratchet. We use in Germany metric system, so for us it is 10 millimeters. I don't know if you have the same. So first step would be to go behind the machine, behind the chamber where the machine is positioned. Normally everything is covered. First would be to turn off the machine via the main switch here. Just turn it off like this. You see all of the electronics are off. There's no light anymore. Next step would be to open the side cover, this one here, which is in my case deinstalled already. So the side covers both and the front panel. And then you see all of the electronic cables come out here from the chamber. Also the cables for the fans. So the next step would be to go inside to the chamber to deinstall the old fans. So normally you have some screws here, 4 screws around the fan. One is here, one is here, and on the other side are also 2 screws. Just unscrew them. Only here, this part unscrew. Just let the screw as it was inside. Now, just unscrew here. So after that you can take out the fan. You have in your case the old fans installed. So with this old plug here. So you have inside the chamber, you have to unplug the plug. You have to figure out, I think it was just pressing in one side or both sides, and then you can unplug it. And we sent you the new fans, so we have to prepare a little bit for the new fans, because the new fans doesn't have that plug. They have one plug here behind. You can already install the cable like I do, like this. So next step would be to install these fans. So in my case I don't take them out this moment, but if you have taken the old fans out, next step would be to reinstall the new one. Very important is that when you install them like that, always the plug has to be on the right corner, not the topper corner, and like here. So it's going out there. You can see it here, I think, so that the cable come out here. Sorry, my fault. It's not, it's the upper corner. So you have to turn it like this so that the cable come out here. As you see now, the cable comes out at this position because you have here the screws. So and then the cable come out here. Next step would be to deinstall the old plug, which comes out here, and put the new cable from the new plug through this part. To open this part, we will need this tool here. You have to figure out which size you will need, because as I said, maybe you don't have metric system in USA. And so for changing this cable here with the new plug, like it is here already installed, but in your case you have the plug here, the old plug, so you have to deinstall the old cable. And yes, you have to open this here, so you have to open the side screws. There are 2 of them, like I do now. It should be very easy. Just like this. In my case it's a little bit cold inside, so it's not easy, but normally it should be easy. So then you can take out this part. So now you can open this rubber parts here. You can maybe just pull them out or push them out as you want. Like this. You can open them a little bit. Then you can deinstall on the back. Deinstall the cables. So here the topper one are 3 cables with black. It's a black cable with numbers. It's like 1, 2, 3. But you can take them here. Just open this side, this side, this side, and then you can from inside pull them, and then you can install the new cable of the new plug there. So then you have to push them through the hole. Maybe it will not be easy because this cable is very short, as you see here. This is already the new plug, so this is already the new cable, the same you will have. So it's very short and very hard to get it through. So I have an idea for you. You can maybe, if you want, if it's not possible to get this cable through all of that part, you can deinstall the black part. So just open, in this case, those 2 screws here. Like this. And then, as you can see, the whole part is easy to uninstall. You can decide if you just want to pull it a little bit to your side, so that you reach those 2 screws here. So in my case, I don't want to deinstall this part right now because it's very hard, as I mentioned, to get those cables through it. But in your case, just unscrew those 2, pull this black part a little bit to you, and then you can open these side screws here and can take off the full black part. You don't need it anymore. You will see that behind the black part, so behind here are 3 holes where the cables go through, and it would be easier just to don't reinstall that thing, just keep it like uninstalled and fill up the holes after installing the new cables, the new plugs. Just fill up the holes inside of the panel here. The holes go through the panels, just fill them up with silicone maybe. This part is only for defending the panels from humidity goes through the foam. So if you put just silicone on top of the holes, it will also defend the machine defend the machine so that no humidity goes through. So if you have the cable get through, then you have 4 colors, but you only need the brown color, the yellow, and the black cable. And now you have to find the right cables from the machine side, which has numbers 1, 2, and 3, and we have to find the right numbers for the right colors. So here is it already installed. So here you can see there is the number 2 on the cable, and the cable is brown. So number 2 is brown, number 1 is black. So here you can see maybe number 1 is black, and yellow is number 3. You don't need the white cable, just let it like it is there. Yes, and if you have reinstalled everything, you can turn on the machine again and check if everything works. I'll be available if you need help. Just reinstall the new fans as you deinstalled the old fans with this, we call it mother in Germany. I don't know if it's the same in America, but just put this one, these 2 parts here, and screw it, and then it's okay.